back to our AI for Product Managers series. In today's episode, we are embarking on a deep dive into the essentials of design thinking framework. Join me as we explore each phase of the design thinking framework and learn or discover practical tips for applying this powerful methodology in real-world scenarios. Of course, with the help of AI tools. Alright, so without further ado, let's begin. Now, let us explore the various phases of this design thinking framework. At the core, design thinking is a holistic problem-solving approach divided into 5 phases: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. So now let's start with the empathize phase. So this is the starting point where we immerse ourselves into the user's world and try to gaze on their, experiences, try to understand who they are, what they do, how they feel, what excites them, what motivates them, what creates pain or friction in their journey. All in all, we do our best to understand anything and everything about the end users and their true problems. The next phase is the define phase. In this phase, our job is to clearly define and in many cases redefine the problem statement that we aim to solve based on all the insights gathered during the empathy phase. The third phase is the ideation phase, where as a group collectively we should unleash creativity to generate multitude of ideas, encouraging diverse thinking and innovation. The fourth and one of the most important phase is the prototyping phase. In this phase, we should translate the ideas and concepts into tangible visual forms which would allow us to test and ideate rapidly. The next and the last phase is the testing phase. In this phase, we should gather feedback through testing the various prototypes, ensuring the solutions that we have envisioned, it actually resonates with the end users and it meets their true needs. Now, let me talk through some of the practical tips for applying design thinking in real-world scenarios. In real world, applying design thinking requires a blend of creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking. Now, let me give you some of the practical tips. During the user immersion phase, immerse yourself into the user's environment to truly understand their perspective. Now you can conduct either interviews, surveys, or you can apply observation techniques. And of course, you should leverage AI tools like sentiment analysis algorithms. The one that comes to my mind would be Monkey Learn, which can help you analyze large set of user feedback, providing you a deeper insights into their emotions and their preferences. Next, let's talk about problem framing. So my recommendation is take time to precisely frame the problem at hand. A well-defined problem leads to a more effective solution. Of course, you should again, leverage AI-powered analytics like, let's say, IBM Watson Analytics, or any type of tool, AI tools that you have that can analyze vast amount of data to help you define and most importantly narrow down the complex problem statement so that everybody has a very clear view of what you are going after. Next, I like to talk about the divergent thinking. So during the ideation phase, encourage everybody to think diversely. Don't be afraid to explore wild ideas as they often lead to breakthroughs. And of course, leverage AI-driven tools like ChatGPT, which can further help you in your brainstorming sessions by expanding on your ideas. All of this, together would expand the horizon of possibilities. Next, let's talk about one of my favorite phases, that is rapid prototyping. So my recommendation would be start with low fidelity prototype quickly. This tangible representations will help you test your ideas and refine them further. And you can leverage AI design tools like Runway, ML. There are many others, of course. Use the one which is available to you, which can automate certain aspects of the prototyping, which in turn would speed up the prototyping phase, allowing for more iterations in a shorter time frame. Now, let me talk about the iterative testing phase. So my recommendation is embrace a iterative testing mindset. Collect feedback early and often, allowing for continuous improvement on your product. AI-powered testing tools, for example, test.ai, can automate a significant part of the testing process, enabling quicker feedback loops and ensuring that iterations are based on robust datasets. By incorporating these AI tools into your design practice, you will enhance your ability to tackle complex problems and deliver user-centric solutions. There you have it, a deep dive into the essentials of design thinking enriched by the integration of AI tools. From empathizing with the users to rapid prototyping and iterative testing, each phase benefits from the analytical power of AI. Remember, design thinking is not a linear process, it's about your adaptability and user-centric problem-solving mindset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming episodes where we'll continue to explore the intersection of AI, design thinking and product management. Until then, take care and bye-bye.